So today I'm going to show you how to fix slow internet onto your Windows 11 step by step using a quick, reliable method that often improves your connection speed. So to get started, go to your settings, then control panel, then under network and internet click view network status and task. Next, on the left side hand corner, click change adapter settings. You'll see your network connections here. Just right click your active network, then select properties. Now, look for Internet Protocol version 4, then click Properties again. Once the window's open, select Use the following DNS server, then type 8.4 times in the preferred DNS box. And for alternate DNS server box, type in 8.8.4.4. These are Google's public DNS servers. They are faster and more reliable than the default ones. After that, click OK to save the changes. Then close all windows, restart your PC, and that's it. That's how you fix slow internet on Windows 11 by changing DNS settings.